Hello students, we are going to discuss about Venturi scrubber. This is one of the pollution control equipment. What is Venturi scrubber? It is a type of air pollution control device. This is one type of the PET scrubber. About 35 years ago, Johnstone and other researchers found that they could effectively use the Venturi configuration to remove particles from gas. Construction of Venturi scrubber. It consists of three sections. One is converging section, second one throat section, third one diverging section. Inlet of polluted gases is through the converging section of the scrubber. Water containing the washed away suspended particle and dissolved gases find on outlet at the diverging section. Working principle of Venturi scrubber. This figure shows that Venturi scrubber consists of three sections. One is converging section, second one throat section, third one diverging section. Inlet gas stream enter the converging section, area decreases, gas velocity increases. Liquid is introduced either at throat or at the entrance to the converging section. Inlet gas forced to move at extremely high velocity in the small throat section. Shear the liquid from its wall, producing an enormous number of very fine particles, that is small particles. Particle and gas removal occur in the throat section as the inlet gas stream mixes with the very small particle. Inlet stream then exits through the diverging section where it is forced to slow down. Venturis can be used to collect both particulate and gaseous pollutant, but they are more effective in removing particles than gaseous pollutant. So this is suitable for more effective to remove gaseous pollutant. Are you clear or not? Okay. So liquid can be injected at the converging section or at the throat. So liquid is injected at the converging section. Liquid coats the Venturi throat, making it very effective for handling hot, dry inlet gas that contain dust. Dust would have a tendency to cake or abrade a dry throat. Venturis are sometimes referred to as having a wetted approach. So suppose liquid is injected at the Venturi throat, it is sprayed at or just before the throat, it does not actually coat the throat surface. These throats are susceptible to solid buildup when the throat is dry. They are also susceptible to abrasion by dust particles. Venturis are best used when the inlet stream is cool and moisture. Venturis are referred to as having non-wetted approach also. Venturis with round throat can handle inlet flow as large as 88,000 meter cube per hour. This is the flow rate. Inlet flow rate greater than these, achieving uniform liquid distribution is difficult unless additional wear or baffles are used. So to handle large inlet flow, scrubber designed with long, narrow, rectangular throat have been used. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the working principle of Venturi scrubber. Advantages of Venturi scrubber. Space requirement is less, no secondary dust sources. It handle high temperature, high humidity gas stream, minimum fire and explosion hazard, ability to collect both gases and particulate matter. Drawbacks of venturi scrubber: corrosion problem, high power requirement, water disposal problem, difficult product recovery. Applications of venturi scrubber: it is applied to control particulate matter emission from utility, industrial, commercial and institutional boiler fired with coal, oil, wood and liquid waste. Okay, thank you for your attention.